Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to add Talks About in LinkedIn. So go ahead and log in your LinkedIn account, and then on the top, click Me, and then choose View Profile. As you can see here, I don't have the Talks About section yet, so all we have to do to add that is scroll to the bottom, almost to the bottom, and look for Resources. Then you would see Creator Mode. Go ahead and click on it. Now, once you add the Talks About, you would see the hashtags, and this is the preview, what it looks like on your profile. So go ahead and click Next. And then from here, you're able to add topics that will be displayed on your profile to show potential followers that what you post about most. So you can add up to 5. So all you have to do is click on this one. You don't need to add hashtag. Just go ahead and type anything that you need, like video editor. You can also put anything that's relevant. Now, once you're done, go ahead and click Turn On. All right, now you can go ahead and click Next, but I'll go ahead and skip. So this is what it looks like on my profile. So it talks about Filmora, video editor, and video content. Now, here's a tip, what you can do to check which hashtag has a lot of followers or have been used by many. So you can go ahead and go to the search bar here and then just type hashtag and let's just say video. Let's choose video editor. So as you can see, it has 2.6K followers, so that's a good number. So you can add that to your profile. Another would be, let's say, voice, and use voice talent. And wow, as you can see, it's 4.7. So you can add that to your profile too. Anything that's relevant for your profile and would boost your profile would be good to put in your profile. And that's it. That's how you add Talks About in LinkedIn.
If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.